Hi guys, let me do a review of Shiquo's silicone spoons, and I'm going to do it today with my colleagues. So let's watch and see their reaction when they see these things we ordered from China.
It's for my love.
I will do the unboxing very fast. I don't know which is which. Just
now?
open.
Any? Oh, yay!
This one is color, I don't know. Okay, just open, you see.
Let me see the pink one. If it's the pink,
The pink one.
black.
Pink
it's
one,
black.
Mama Jimmy. Okay.
Pink.
The pink one.
Mama Jimmy.
Aya, try this one.
Wow, they've come from London. She brought us the gift. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is pretty.
Are they what you expected?
Yeah.
Oh. Wow.
I am Meru. And
Open
the sight of a
everything.
knife makes me feel like I want to use them.
What is that?
I don't know. Because it's for...
Sharpener. I don't.
maybe.
Okay, I don't know.
It's metallic though. Probably it's for putting the knives. I'm not
Okay.
sure. Look at me. Give away. That I will hardly use because I don't cook. It's a sweaty spray. Oh, what do they look like? Those little things, but well,
But yours are big.
they're big, yeah, they're big. They're pretty.
Huh? Open the second one. The small. Okay.
No, we're not
Oh.
done. This is a chopping board. Oh, for the girls to use in my house, which I still don't have.
The storage container. Nice.
There's a scissors. This is for cutting what? Alright, I don't know.
Yeah.
This is
Those onions are
cutting,
matawi.
yeah.
Vitunguu za matawi.
Oh, maybe meat.
Yeah. Or milk.
Milk.
The
Milk, I have a
box.
small one.
What is it called? The boxes za maziwa.
The boxes.
Maziwa ya karatasi.
Mimi nimenunua maziwa mzima ya box.
Ama unaumanga karatasi hapo kando ukifungua maziwa.
Unauma ukitaste maziwa kwanza.
Yours is satisfactory.
Beautiful. Oh yeah.
Yeah, unboxing Shiquo's deliveries.
Yes, we are.
Okay, unbox the small one because huku ndio
This
tumeona
is for what? Spaghetti.
spaghetti and salads. Yeah.
Dear future husband.
Ushanunua utensils.
This is me getting ready for you. I hardly cook, but I'll be cooking.
Yes,
from
please.
today henceforth.
Let's
This was
do
what?
it. Those are the small spoons zenye zimeleta controversy.
We brought. Oh, this is for who?
That's for Emma.
Oh, this is Emma's. Oh, they're tiny.
Yes.
Wow, Shiquo, what did you do to a dance? Oh my God, it looks like this. It looks like for. Oh goodness gracious! Emma, come and see what Shiquo brought you.
Oh my God, nataka hii black inakaa aje? It looks ugly.
It looks like a witch's tooth. So sorry. Oh goodness, what is this?
Ni yule ya mtoto wa nani na Fudo. Oh my God. But hii vitu
Africana.
nimelearn, you go to the shop, see what you are getting before you order.
Oh my God.
Pia kinadi naona bado ni nini.
No, but
At least these ones are something big.
hey, these are small. Hey, you guys. No, you can't compare.
Yeah, hizi ni kubwa.
This is so tiny.
Let me see the knife.
Guys, hizi ndio the spoons
Pia
tumeona.
pink.
Watu walikuwa nakula nazo Instagram, like, you know, this should be like a serving spoon.
Yeah.
So people are using it kukula because
This is what will you serve?
oh my
Na
God.
penye nani bado nani huyu kijana wa nani bado anazisifu.
Ona. Where Sinje is, she must be dying with laughter. What is this? Aki, what the hell?
Lace.
What's this? See? What is this?
Thin and
No, these are so tiny. These are the small ones. We are being honest and we're doing an honest review. This ones are very small.
Tiny.
Very tiny zinakaza
Can
kucheza.
hardly be
These
used.
ones are way better, so I think maybe because they were a bit pricier.
I think so.
But hey, I was actually just waiting to see people. I had not opened this. I was just waiting to see their reaction.
But the rest of the things, I think this what's supposed to go here? These things. I don't know. Hey, but these one I love it.
Aki ona hii chopping need board. This is small.
So tiny. Very tiny. Apparently it goes here.
This
Oh.
one is for Sheila.
Maybe open the black one for the grey one for Sheila. We see.
Looks good.
Eh,
In fact, here black.
The big ones, you see the ones that are in a box, they are bigger. This one looks nicer.
Here, at least we
Yeah, this
Sheila
one
with the
looks
family.
better.
It's not a lot.
These ones are bigger. So guys, if you were to order anything from Shiquo, just go for this one. I think they were like 1,000 bob. It was how much?
Wait, it is not 1,000 in Peter. Kama walilipa
Oh,
jibu
plus
wame-
shipping fee, 700.
Nani amefunga?
Hey, the box is
Another dolly again.
In the box.
it's
It's in an envelope. How do you import things in a basha?
Hiyo ilikuwa inaimportiwa hapa.
It's even torn.
Yeah.
God! This is what cost. What is this?
What?
Wow. How much was it?
so guys.
How do you import things in a kabasha?
So guys, oh my god, this is what?
How much is this?
Hata hiyo nini yako
like-
inaifanyia
this is-
justice.
You
Hiyo
watch,
kamera
I
yako.
don't know, by 100 bob. Let me tell
Not
you.
even
guys.
100. Even the ones for kids, the 50 bob ones from whatever, the bigger. They even have deco on them. This one, it looks like.
Batata mandazi inatokana
Ah, you can get mandazi. No, those too small to ninis. Those mandazis that are.
Kama
You know the ones that are.
biscuits kwa birthday.
Look at the ones that cost 500.
Let me see your watch.
Hizi vitu ni za kalongolongo.
Oh my
Hey,
god.
pull up my shirt. It's not even fitting. First of all, it's plastic. When it gets hot, it's gonna burn my hand. That's already a hazard. That's a hazard. You bought this
Yes.
online. But this is not
From
what they
Shiquo.
posted.
It was
They
not
posted
today.
a nice one.
I know. Alafu,
And then you go there, unatolewa to watch, tumenunuliwa 30 bob, unachagua
baby,
kama
acha nikwambie, if you were to buy e-watch kwa street, 70 bob maximum. Ama
Lakini
100
ukienda-
bob max, like ile umekoniwa.
Hata ukienda
And this
kwetu
watch, we
aje,
bought it at guys.
Kamukunji.
She
This thing
ordered
at
this
30 bob.
watch for 500 shillings.
Yeah.
This is the watch that came. Karaka hivi.
Yeah.
Wait.
This
wait.
kakonda.
Inaweza tumia hapa ni hii kitu ya mayai tu.
Hata hiyo
At
ni
least.
ngumu.
But at least
Is
inaweza
it,
fanya
is it even
kazi.
strong? Can it?
Inaweza.
Tawi sikivunjike ubaki na hiyo mbao.
Hata
It's
hiyo
not
unaweza-
even-
hata hiyo unaweza tumia.
To do what?
Kunini kuoga when you're opening
Or maybe to massage
Paka
yourself.
mafuta.
To massage yourself, I guess.
Guys, hey guys, hey, this unboxing.
Nitakula nayo.
Mi nishawambia baby, if you're buying things online, yo,
Sasa hii Shiquo hii, unaona hizi? Hizi ndio unaweza fanya. Labda upike nayo chapo.
sasa tachapo
chapo
Itakuwa
itabana.
naje?
Even but I think this can be used as a cup.
This you
But
can
it-
use for
it has holes.
toothbrush holder. You can
But
use
it's
this
kitchen
as-
and dining.
Okay, you can put your spoons, like to hold your spoons, but see, he's
Now this one
nice.
is meant for what, surely?
This was supposed to be a spatula. Hizi mpea tu Africana. Mtumie mtoto ambari ukacheze nazo. Because
Ya Africana. Nimefika around 800 and something.
exactly ni mwanamsia kula nayo mchele.
Hizi ni za Africana.
Ati ulikuwa unapangia hebu niambie hizo spoons zilikuwa za nini?
This was supposed to help me with my nyama choma in my oven. Now see.
This one. So strong enough.
Bado inaweza flip fish. Let me see Emma, utaflip aje fish?
Can you the fish will break into pieces.
Here. Maybe they need some. My gift, my watch came in an envelope.
Show Abby your watch.
Abby, this is my watch that was imported from China. It's not even fitting my hands. Tuanze hapo. Number 2, it came in this envelope. Like this. Abby, this envelope.
Don't know where is your pan?
Let me tell you, pan yangu nilifika nikaambiwa atizilisha.
Yeah?
I'm like, what do you mean? Pan zimeisha and people were ordering. You are bringing per order. Atizilisha ningoje next shipment. I was so pissed.
Yesterday. Your dough.
I was so pissed. Am I yesterday?
Ona, it's even turned some to tooth. Aki serious, ona? It's torn.
Itabidi mmerudika mkunji because what is this?
Poa.
Hata ndio ionekane poa. Yes, like this.
I'm just so tired that nilikuwa nimeshaona. I'd seen it when we started seeing the red flags of add so.
No, we knew, by the way, I mean, I wasn't even expecting. It's a shock. Like they are here. See, I told you in December. I told Dot.
We already seen some red flags.
Kubali tu iishe. Kaanza pale tukienda.
This is for serving soup. Abungisha kwa hii plate. Let's check on this one.
Tuliamua kwa
wakikuitisha CBC wooden spoon. Perfect. Hey guys, hey kimetupata. Actually yes, akwetu anapikia nazo huko Kalongo.
She loves
At least they are better. Bonyesha the big. At least
iko tu, yani it has hata iko na chopping board.
Ni ile standard.
Ni ile standard for sure, yes. But other things.
that one they tried, but the watch no, the small spoons apana. If you are to order, at least like those ones are bigger. They even look nirefu.
I was scan this code. Who has the phone? We don't know.
Aki, and I'm not hating. Mine are big.
From Shiquo.
No.
Obviously.
Kubwa hivi. Hiki tu ni kubwa hivi.
Like na hizi za D zako.
You bought it from kampuni.
At how much na za D?
But sasa zinakuja na hii kubwa.
At how much?
Hata hii ni ndogo bado.
Exactly.
Yangu ni ngumu. You can actually
Ziko a bit sharp.
Wait, you bought it at how much, Joan?
Emma,
remember that
tunge your knife.
it was nothing more than, this is cute. It was nothing more than 1,500.
Now you see. So it's better you go to the ground.
Ikienda sana, ona ila doli.
Tumesema itakuwa ya CBC wooden spoon.
Songeni.
Kuna vitu.
This is what Shiquo brought you. Doro missed. This is what was imported from China.
For 850.
Doro. Na nilikwambia walisema ni za mtoto wa Rapudo. Anatoa nani wa mtoto? Akinyi. Africana. Akinyi. Yeah, she's called Akinyi, her real name. Guys.
Those are your spoon.
Okay, unajua nini? Nitawafanyia.
Mama. How much is this thing in town?
Hizi ni ndogo.
Hizi bado ni baby.
Next nilinunua kando.
Hii ni supu ya nini unachota mara ngapi supu saba? Hey Lord. Guys,
Ona hii.
ordering a TV on Jimmy unapata TV inatoshana hivi. We, Doro sungeniambia jana.
Unateta hiyo ya pink, sichukue yako ya black one.
Yani The fuck is this?
No, open.
Wapi?
Purchase, you open your. Inafaa kukuwa ile kitu
Ya spaghetti.
Utachukua, utaweza kuchukua kweli haina nguvu.
Akasema
hata mimi nimechukua vitu.
Hata siko najua this small sizes exist.
I mean, oh.
Hizi ni za
Yani kushangaa ni kushangaa. Akumiaulia huko.
Hata ufungulie huko watu liite. That's your sorrow here.
I am dying, guys.
Unaelewa tena kama mimi.
I am dying. Oh my
You're
god.
850.
Yes. I am
mbona hii haina panga? Mbona hii haina panga?
Si jana nilikwambia hizi vitu wamesema ni za Afrikana.
you give up.
Mkasema hapana, nimeziona si za Rapudo.
Nimeshajua. I will never do an online purchase.
Hapana, Emma.
No, not ever, but it's because
Ningeenda hata Kamukunji. Ni nini ili ni stress? Ni how much hii kitu in real life?
I don't know how much. The big one should be like no, unaona kama this set ya kina D in normal shops, the big ones are 25. The big cause iko ndani the big chopping board. But even the
chopping
spoon,
board.
yes.
But ni kadoli chopping board ukiangalia.
If ukiangalia
Kuna
online,
chopping board.
yeah, it has.
Hata iwezisha.
Mbona hakuleta full size?
Nino?
Zile scented candles.
That was an honest review from my colleagues. Like it was a raw review. I didn't. They just came in and I was recording as they saw the spoons and the things we had ordered online. My things have not yet come, and I was the first one to order. I ordered for pans. I ordered for perfumes. I ordered for what was it also? I think I also ordered for what's it called, trays as Jakuja. So I was told to wait. I'm still waiting. They told me to wait for the next shipment. Yeah, but yeah, so even though it was equal, sometimes you get what you order, and sometimes what you order is not what you get. But thanks for watching, and until next time, see ya.